Whether you're looking for a family car, a truck, or even a brand new Camaro, very few of us can pay for a car up front. So financing is a must. James Moniz here from Bank of Hawaii, Vice President, here to give us a few tips. Now, James, when we first start thinking about financing, what are some of the things that we need to keep in mind?
Well, definitely the first thing for anyone to keep in mind, just like any other big purchase or loan, is thinking about your monthly income and how much you can afford or what you're willing to pay for a vehicle. And some of the things to consider, in addition to just the cost of the vehicle, would be gas mileage, your daily commute, and the maintenance and insurance of the vehicle. Lastly, we tell people when you're looking at a vehicle, look at a vehicle that fits your needs and find a few options so you narrow down your choices to 2 or 3 different vehicles.
Okay, when we start to look in the bank account, and we start talking about rates and stuff, as far as financing is concerned, what are some of the things that we need to keep in mind?
Well, when you think about financing for a car loan, they're secured loans, which means that the interest rates and the terms are a little bit more favorable than unsecured loans or credit cards. So definitely you want to look at your credit score and your credit history, because that'll dictate whether or not you'll get approved for a loan, what terms you'll get approved for, the interest rates, and the size of the loan that you're applying for.
Okay, I don't think everybody realizes this, but there is a good time to start buying a car.
Well, great time to buy a vehicle. Most major holidays, car dealerships, like other retailers, have a lot of sales during the major holiday season. So holidays are a good time to purchase. But also in this industry, the end of the month or the end of a vehicle's model year is typically when the vehicles will be on sale. So that's a great time to buy. So always look online and see when the best things are available, or also in the paper. That's a really good time to look.
Leasing has become more of a popular trend, hasn't it? I mean, what are some of the benefits, the pros and the cons of that? Yeah,
I think for leasing, as vehicles have gotten more expensive, leasing has become more popular. So the benefit of leasing, which is essentially renting a car for a 3-4 year period, it gives you the benefit, instead of paying for the full vehicle over 5 to 6 years, you pay for the depreciable use of the car. So the benefit to that is lower monthly payments, and at the end of the lease, you get to either return the car or get a new one. So people who get new cars all the time, leasing is a perfect option. I like it because, if your lifestyle changes over a course of 3-4 years, you get something new that fits your needs.
Yeah, perhaps you have kids or something like that. Definitely. Something big develops. Any last minute tips? Anything else we need to keep in mind?
Well, certainly, like any other big purchase, a car is probably the second biggest thing anyone will buy, and compared next to a home. So we always tell people to do a lot of research, look online. You can find out what offers are available, the dealerships you're going to work with, and people who do the most homework will probably get the best deal.
All right, James Moniz from Bank of Hawaii. We appreciate your time.
Thanks, Steve.
By the way, all the information about this is going to be on our website, hawaiinewsnow.com. We'll be right back.